Hello everyone, welcome again to another Jira Cloud tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create quick filters in Jira. Now, prior to getting into the steps of creating the quick filter, the first thing to understand is basically what is quick filter. So when we talk about quick filters, these are additional filters that you can implement on the boards, be it your Scrum board or Kanban board, to filter out further issues on the board. And these help you to, on the boards, basically in the agile development, you will be having stand-ups, and also you can quickly filter out the issues based on these quick filters, and you do not have to write the queries again and again. So the other important thing is basically the access level to implement these filters. You either need to be a project administrator, Jira project administrator, or you need to have the board administrator permission to implement these filters. So these are few key things before we get started into the actual implementation. Now let's go ahead and I'll go to the classic Scrum project first, because this is the most widely used in the agile software development. So here I have the active sprints, right? So here you have in the left hand side, you have backlog and the active sprints. So if you go to the active sprints, which is basically nothing but the board, and this is my board here, and on this board I can see certain issues being displayed. So there are stories, bugs, tasks, etc. So these are just the sample ones. And in order to implement quick filters, or basically on the board at the top, you will see these filters here. So only my issues or recently updated, these are two quick filters that are available at the moment. So if I click on only my issues, you will see the filter has been applied, and any issue that is assigned to me will be displayed here. Okay. Similarly, I can select multiple filters. If I say only my issues and recently updated, there are nothing as such here. To clear this quick filter, I can click on clear all, and it will clear all the filters that are applied on the board. The next thing is basically how to create the quick filter, right? So these are the quick filter, and now you can have more quick filters here. So to create the quick filter, you go to the right hand side in the three ellipses, click on that and go to the board settings. In the board settings, you will have the option of the quick filters. So if you click on the quick filters, you will have the option here to write the query and specify the name and description of the filter that you want to create. So for example, here only my issues has the JQL or the Jira query language, which says assignee is equal to current user. So any user who will be logged in, if he clicks on only my issues filter, only the issues that are being assigned to that particular user will be displayed. Okay, so now let us try to create one filter quickly. So what I'll say all defects. Say for example, I want to filter all defects on the board as well, and have a filter for that. Okay, so I can say all defects, and then I'll say issue type. So let's filter by the issue type, and in the issue type, I want to only filter the issues that are of type bug. Okay, and here I can specify all bugs in the description. So whatever description you feel like, you can specify the detailed description there, and click on add to add this filter. Okay, the next filter that I want to add is basically, say for example, I want to have a look at the items or the work items that have been updated in the last 48 hours. Okay, so what I can say updated in last, or let's say 48 hours. Okay, and I'll say the updated date is greater than or equal to minus 2 days. Okay, so 2 days is from current time to last 48 hours. So that's what the query is, and I'll specify the description. So I'll say issues updated in last 48 hours. Okay, and add the filter. So I have added two more filters on the board. and these filters will now be available on the board. So if I click on back to board, and you will see updated in last 48 hours, and all defects are being displayed here. So now if I click on all defects, you will see these 2 defects are being filtered out, and any other issue type is being is hidden from the board. Okay, now if I uncheck this, it will deselect the filter. If I click on updated in last 48 hours, it will list me all the issues that have been updated in last 48 hours. Okay, so this is how you will create new filters on the board, and how you can use them in your agile development approach. This is possible on the Kanban project as well. So for example, if I go to the Kanban project, the approach is still same. So if I go to classic Kanban and go to the board, so here you have board as well, and you will see the filters are exactly similar here. So the process of adding the filters on the Kanban board is exactly similar as it is on the Scrum board. Okay, so if you go to the right hand side to the ellipses, go to the board settings, you will see quick filters, and here you can specify the name, the query, description, and add the filters. Okay, so this is all about adding the filters. Then say for example, you want to delete the filter, right? So in that particular case, what you can do is to delete the filter, you simply click on the delete button here to delete the filter. Let's go back to the same Scrum board or Scrum project and delete and edit the filter as well. So let's understand that as well. So on the Scrum project, let's, for example, I want to delete updated in last 48 hours or edit it. So what I can do is I can go to the board settings again, and in the quick filters, if I want to edit this particular filter, I can edit the name by simply clicking on the little pencil icon that was available, and I can edit the query, I can edit the description, so I can edit any of the details that have been entered previously to edit this particular filter. If I want to delete the filter, I simply have to click on this delete button, and it will ask for the confirmation, and you simply, let me refresh this, there is a bit of pop-up. Let me refresh the page and see if it goes away. Okay, so yeah, it went away. So if you want to delete the filter, simply click on delete and click on this delete button here, and the filter will be removed from the board. Okay, then say for example, I want to move the location of these filters, right? So at the moment, first filter is all defects, second one is only my issues, third one is recently updated. So if you go back to the board, you will see this is what the sequence is: all defects, only my issues, and recently updated. So for example, I want to have recently updated at the first place. What I can do is I can simply go to the board settings, and I can just drag and drop recently updated at the first place. And if you go back to the board, you will see recently updated is available at the first place, then all defects and only my issues. So this is how you will move the filters and change the location of the filters on the board. Okay, so this is all about the filters, basically the quick filters in the Scrum, classic Scrum or Kanban project in Jira Cloud. Now there will be a question about the next gen projects as well. So next gen Scrum and next gen Kanban. Now at the moment, at this particular time when I'm creating this video, there is no feature available for the next gen Scrum and Kanban projects to have the quick filters on the board. So I'll quickly show you that if I go to the next gen Scrum project, I cannot create any filter here. So I can just have these filters which are available by default. So based on the type or label, I can filter it out, which is more or less similar to the basic search, but I cannot create any new filters. Okay, so this feature still needs to be built, because if you go to the Jira, Atlassian Jira support or their just search for the community, you will find that there are open issues. So ability to create quick filters in next-gen project, it's still open, and many people are kind of voting and waiting for this particular feature to be built in the next-gen project. So as of now, the feature is not available on the next-gen project, but if you are using the traditional or the classic project, which most of the organizations are using, that's the most widely used project. So we have already understood how you can create quick filters for classic Scrum or classic Kanban project in Jira Cloud. So that's all for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching.